Question 18 is about Archimedes' principle and floating. Part A. Archimedes' principle states that when a body is wholly or partly immersed in a fluid, it experiences an upthrust equal to the weight of the fluid it displaces. Part B. 1. To find the mass of water displaced, read the initial volume, V1, in the measuring cylinder, lower the metal in on the thread, and read the new volume, V2. The volume displaced is V2 minus V1, and the mass is the density of water times that volume displaced. Part B. 2. Now weigh the metal in air with the spring balance to get its weight in air. Then weigh it while fully submerged to get its apparent weight in water. The upthrust is the weight in air minus the weight in water. Archimedes' principle is verified when this upthrust equals the weight of the water displaced. Part C. 1. Surface tension in a liquid can be reduced by raising its temperature or by adding a detergent or soap. Part C. 2. The object sinks fully in water, but floats partly in glycerine. Glycerine is denser than water, so for the same displaced volume, it provides a greater upthrust. The object's density is greater than water's, so it sinks in water, but less than glycerine's, so it floats in glycerine. Well done. Question 18 is complete.